Hello, everybody. So I decided I wanted to do a quick screencast explaining how to sign up for Quill. Quill is new. I actually assigned it on your class plan last Friday when I was out testing. And a number of you took the initiative, got on there, signed up, and took that diagnostic without me having to explain it, which is awesome. Love to see that independence. If you haven't had a chance to do it or you were a little confused, that's why I'm creating this video. And I made this, the assignment from last Friday, I extended it to this Friday too. So if you did your work last Friday, the 16th, no, today's the 16th. If you did it last Friday, the 9th, you don't need to do anything today. If you didn't get a chance to do your work last Friday on the 9th, you need to do it today, being the 16th of March. It's pretty simple. You're creating an account at Quill, quill.org, and joining our class, and then you are taking a diagnostic test in the Quill system, so you kind of familiarize yourself with the system. Before I show you how to do that, just looking at the directions, this was sent out to you. It's the step-by-step instructions on how to sign up. The rationale for Quill is these standards that are tested on the FSA, conventions of standard English grammar, and then also capitalization, punctuation, spelling, etc. So Quill has lots of practice activities that I'm going to assign one a week, as we're going to be doing a lot of kind of independent work while I'm testing, and these will be on Friday. So it's good practice with some of these grammar, punctuation, verb tenses, those kinds of skills that maybe we don't get a ton of time to work on in the classroom. So this is going to be sent out along with this recording, but your first step is to click on the link that will take you to quill.org. Looks like this. So anytime you see this quill with the little quill pen next to it, this is what I'm referencing as this site. To sign up, it's right here in the middle. It's also in the upper right hand corner. You click on sign up. It takes you to this page. You are a student, so you would click on student. If you have a Google account, you can sign up using your Google, and then it will just remember it for you, or you can create an account. So I'm just going to create an account right now as an example. I'll do it for my daughter. So Addison is her name, Delgado. And we'll say her username is going to be AM Delgado 7. She was born on 7/7/17. So 7 is her lucky number. Email is optional. If you want to put it in there, you can. That's your personal email. And then I'm just going to put in a password for her that I would remember. And then sign up. Once you have created that free account, it takes you to this page that says join a new class. The class code was on that sheet we just looked at, but it is glove-dress. They just generate weird codes, so there's no meaning to this. It's just what they gave us to join our class. You type that in, join your class, classroom added, so you are now in the classroom, or I'm in my own classroom rather, and then return to the profile. This is where the activities will be. You see there's only one there. Addison's name's right here. Sentence structure diagnostic, that's the test that I wanted you to do. So you would start activity, click on it, and if you didn't get a chance to come to class today on Friday, we went through some of these questions together. It's 22 questions about how to write sentences. It's not really a test. It's a participation grade. So if you do it, you're gonna get the grade for it. And then you go through and you answer the questions. So that is Quill. So let me show you. So it's on your class plan. So if I log into the class, there's a couple ways to get to class plan. You can do the drop down here, or I just like to click up here. I think it's easiest. I have mine set up monthly, but you see this was last Friday. This is this Friday. And there'll be one when we come back from break, the 30th, that Friday. There'll be a new one. But for the 9th and the 16th, it's just that diagnostic test. So if you already did it on the 9th, you're all good to go, and just wait until the 30th when you'll have another activity. If you didn't get a chance to do last week's, I want you to work on that today. And that is it. So that is Quill. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Otherwise, I will see you guys after spring break. Have a great week. Bye.